Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make these cute simple resin eggs, and this is using the mold I got from my previous Sophie and Toffee box. So first we're going to take some resin and we're just going to make the yolk with this. So I'm adding some resin in a little container and I'm adding some yellow pigment dyes to it and mixing it all together. Then I'm pouring the yellow resin into a sphere mold that I have, and I'm not sure where I got this specific one, but I just let it cure under the UV lamp for a few minutes, and I popped it out of the mold. And super carefully, I used my polymer clay blade just to scrape out the excess resin on the ball. Then I poured the rest of the yellow resin into a bigger sphere mold that this one is from a previous Sophie and Toffee box, and let that cure as well. So I smeared some UV resin on this little yellow sphere of the yolk and I gave it some dot eyes and a line smile and then put the UV light on top of it to cure it. And I repeat the same steps for the larger yolk. And here are the two little yolks with faces. Next I'm taking the egg mold that we got from the Sophie and Toffee box. And so I'm doing it in two different styles. For the little one I poured some UV resin into the mold, cured that really quickly. Then I placed more resin into the mold along with the yolk. I arranged the yolk accordingly so the face can show in the front, and I filled the rest of the mold with some UV resin and let that cure. And once cured, I popped it out of the mold. So this one, it's more towards the bottom of the egg. For the second one, I poured UV resin into the mold directly, placed in my larger yolk, and I filled the mold with resin again. And this one's a little bit different because I didn't do a cure in between, so the yolk is all the way towards the top of the egg. And once cured, I popped it out, and here is my little egg with the yolk. So this is the tutorial, and super easy. All you need is the two molds, and I really liked how it turned out. I really like the yolk towards the bottom of the egg because I think even though the yolks are really small, the way the mold is kind of formed, it makes everything magnified, so it looks kind of more diffuse and not like a proper dimensions. But overall, I liked how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.